All right, just making a quick video for today's update for the market. Um, we're just going to look at what's happening currently. Okay, China stock supposed to fall, but it has gone back up, not willing to fall. So seems to be there's a tension of a long range and building and consolidating. All right, stock markets are moving up. There's tend to be a 1, 2, 3 day moves for the stock market. Looks like it started on early this week on a 1, 2, 3 day bounce. So looks good for today. And Labu as well, also making a move. Oil also jumping up a bit. TNA is jumping. TTQ, SPY moved up. So overall market looks good. Semiconductors are making a move, a bounce back on a 3 day move here for semiconductors. So currently most of the indexes are moving up. See what's happening currently. Google making 3 day moves. 1, 2, 3. Google, Tesla also making 3 day moves, bouncing higher. Right, solar stocks are moving higher as well. Biotech moving higher. Semiconductors are bouncing up. Biotech making a big bounce again. Semiconductors, here we go. Software. So most of the market right now looks like everything is bouncing up for today. Solar, this was a buy today. It's a nice bounce up. GME also bouncing. GME, for some reason, this MIMI stock isn't dying. People are still holding the stock, and also there's people playing the stock as well. All right. Back then, the stock was pretty huge in 2020 when they made the announcement, NVAX, Pfizer, and Moderna. It's been down quite a bit, but it's making a move now. Right, TQQQ, we had it on our list. Didn't think it will pass, but there's the mark here. Hit the mark, our mark here, and it's bouncing up since. So this was an entry for today. Great breakout, awesome breakout. That was like 4 out of 3. 4 out of 5 setup. .com making a move. Solar, see JKS making a huge move. It was a huge downtrend yesterday, but look how it moved up dramatically from today. So that you know where the money is coming in, right? This is one of the leading stocks for solar stocks. Pool making 3 day moves. So this is pretty good condition for swing trade. Basically, stocks are keeping a hold of and not falling and making 3 day moves. Oil bouncing back up. Biotech continued to bounce. Now is struggling to move up. It looks like it's hitting that resistance level here. Splunk made a move. Crowd made a move, a bit of a small move, but that's expected. Snow made a move. There's a 3 day move here. It's probably going to continue to move up until it hits a $100 a 100-day moving average. Your entry would be 2 days ago, not today. All right, just gonna go quick because there's a couple around 356 stocks to go through. Musa made a big move again. Continuing to move today. Not sure when this bounce will last, but looks like it's a good market for a swing. Coal making a move, making a bounce as well, is a bit choppy. Zoom used to be one of the leading stocks of 2020. Since now it's been chopping around and making a downtrend until Biotech continues to bounce. Semiconductors 3-day moves continue to bounce up. All right, this is a nice buy here. Beautiful bounce. Yesterday was a bit choppy, but today it's making a huge move. Looks like money's coming in. Discount stores again. This was a buy from 3 days ago, and continue to move up. Baba's a nice buy, nice pop. A bit of a slow moving now, but we'll see what happens. You can still enter Baba. Baba can be an entry for today as well. Let's keep it on our list. Copy. Right. Software, specialty, aero, space defense. I thought this would move. I bought this one, but it didn't move higher, so I sold that. Bought it this morning and sold this morning. I bought it up here. Bought it up here. Just sold it. Didn't make much move. So a lot of the stocks are moving today, either recovering or bouncing up from the bottom. A lot of the semiconductors are bouncing up from bottom. Oil bouncing up from bottom. It's a couple of choppy market, so I wouldn't hold for too long. It is a swing market, but I wouldn't hold for too long, and also reduce size as well. Don't want to put in too much size. You never know what's the market's going to do when it turns. When it turns, it's going to sell off pretty dramatically. So it looks like the money's coming in for semiconductors, and biotech continues to be strong. China stock's not moving anywhere, but it's also not going down as well. Steel tends to be a move here, but commodities are lower. Semiconductors, see how that's a huge 3-day bounce for semiconductors. Semiconductors, 1, 2, 3. That's a, let's see how much move is that. This is a total of 7% move in 2-3 days. That's not bad. This one's slow moving. It was in our list, but it's a chop. It moves how it's a choppy move. It's going a bit quicker here. All right, so that's what's happening with the market. It seems to be in a good trend. I'm in Labu still. My entry was down here at around 750. It's moving $2. And now I'm just gonna add 10. I entered 10 this morning. It was part of yesterday's also watch list. I entered 10 yesterday, but it got rejected. So it got it rejected here. I bought here, then it went down. But today it seems to be very good. So I jumped back in. So I'm in 10 and I'm in Labu. Just gonna check our watch list. This was in the watch list, JKS. It's a nice bounce. 10s Amazon just broke, but it had a 3-day bounce. So I wouldn't enter it today, the third day. This one, it was a fail for me. It gapped up, but then it didn't really proceed with the move, so I sold it. This one's low, this one's choppy. Neo's not dying, but not moving at the same time. Fold seems to be, I'm just gonna remove this one here. I tried it, it didn't make a big move, so it's a fail move. Costco as well, just gonna remove that. And Coke failed. Hit the resistant level here, and then went down. All right, so far I'm in Labu. I'm also in 10. There could be more stocks that I should have been in, but just working today, so I couldn't have time to jump in. Anyways, good luck for today, guys. Have a good one. I'll talk to you in the evening.